Yeah, live, sir.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Murli.
Thank you, sir.
So welcome everyone to the live session of the course Rapid Manufacturing. So this is the third year of the run of this course. So we have got good feedback in the previous course, and it has been overwhelming. It has been overwhelming that people from different streams have joined with us, and they have given good feedback. And we have also updated a few videos from the last time. There are small queries which are there in the Excel sheet. It is the Google form that you people might have filled. So was it a Google form, Mr. Murli, that they filled?
What, sir?
Was it a Google form where they filled this? Will they ask the questions, or is it an Excel sheet only? A sheet only there.
We floated a Google form. If they fill the
Google form.
Google form, then the submitted responses will go to the responses sheet.
Okay, that response sheet we are trying.
Yes, Amandeep, sir.
Okay, there is a question by Harshil Chandrasekhar Modi. He's also here. Then I think Harshil, because you are live, I'll just get to this question. So I'm switching off my video to have a bandwidth advantage so that we do not get out of the internet bandwidth. The other questions people are asked about the exam, how the exam is conducted, and what is the pattern. Then what is the marks distribution. Then there is a question on how about metal additive manufacturing and how where it is now taking nowadays. So regarding the metal additive manufacturing, we are generally talk about rapid manufacturing of the systems. If you could say in this course, it is covered. The rapid manufacturing systems means trying to do something very quickly. Quickly means the overall system of a design, setting a factory layout, having a reverse engineered product of a product that is existing. Reverse engineered that means to format, that is computer aided design. So this is what the infused deposition, for example, could be fused and dust. It could be bring to any shape. It solidifies very quickly. In metals, it has to be sintered properly. Metals, first of all, they are to be converted to the raw material. Raw material could be wires. It could be powder. So fine, but produce to the process completely. So that is also a big challenge. So there are only limited materials available: titanium, aluminium, copper, steel, inconel, and still the research is going on in developing more materials. There are a few more small materials which are available in metal additive that we can produce. Direct deposition methods are there that use also different materials. So yes, it is. It has to still take a leap in developing itself as a prominent technology, but the basic advantages or basic benefit or the fundamental use of additive manufacturing is to get the product developed in the shortest possible time without requiring any CNC programming, without requiring any CNC machines, without requiring any fixtures, without requiring any setups. So in a single go, we can produce these complex parts which otherwise was not possible. So Harshil, you have two questions here. What is the least count of coordinate measuring machine? The CMM machine, I think that is discussed uh, in the course here. And the least count for CMM machine, it varies upon depending upon the Nowadays CMM machines also are non-contact machines are also coming, for which the discount has gone quite even lower than 1 micron. But if we try to say CMM machines in general, the CMM machine discount is of the order of around 0.3 microns. These recent machines which have come to the market, but the machine that we took to covered in this in the in your course itself, the demonstration which was given, it was purchased few years back, so that is why the discount is higher. The next question is the option align in RTech software. In RTech software, the option align, when there are multiple RTech software, if RTech this 3D scanner that you have seen, that you could see that it is a very portable scanner that could be taken to any of the places. It could be taken to take scan of the complete bus. It could be used to take scan of a small body. So align is a tool that is there is a toolbar which helps us to auto align the program when your scans are in a different locations in a way. So to the different scans, for example, if I take scan from one direction, scan from other direction using a single scan, it could be used to align all of these. If you could see, if you could recall if I think reverse engineering session, I can't recall whether it is coming or is it going to come in the forthcoming weeks. Just a second. Week 8 is open now. 3D printing. Week 9. Post processing. Rapid CAD. Technomatics. So reverse engineering, the alignment is one of the steps. First, we try to capture the data. After capturing the data, it means we try to get the cloud data only. Then we try to have multiple scans of a single object, because single scan sometimes doesn't help. To align those multiple scans while fixing the reference points. For example, if I need to have align the scans of my keyboard, I can fix the reference points as the 4 corners. Scan 1, scan 2, scan 4, all could be scanned using the 4 corners. To align, suppose a round surface or something, a round component or something, the center of that round could be used as a reference. Generally 3 reference points are taken. This is why this is the purpose of the align command. Now any other questions? Harshil, you are the only person here, and we have YouTube chat as well. Reverse engineering is completed, sir. Yeah, thank you, Harshil. In reverse engineering, I think it is already covered. There are steps for this. Alignment is one of the important steps. Yes, Harshil, any other questions? You can unmute yourself or you can post it here in the chat box. We are open to answer. Okay, Harshil says no questions. So, Mr. Mulli, if nobody else is coming, I think we can close the meeting. It is already 15 minutes. No one else is joining. You can once have a look over the YouTube chat and other chats if people have asked questions. Otherwise, we'll close it.
Yes, sir. Just give me a minute, sir. I'll just check and get back. Sir, I think we can close now. Nobody has posted the question in the YouTube chat.
Fine.
Thank
you. Thank you,
Mr.
Mr. Mulli, then. And thank you, everyone. The exam would be very close to what you have studied in the PPTs. And please try to study the things around the PPT that those were delivered, and the assignments questions would also be helpful. And some part around 15 to 20% of the questions would be from the assignment itself, will be very close to the assignments. So please have a quick look on them, and you could also expect small or simple numericals also in the exam. Thank you so much for being here, and it's a wonderful experience each year to have these live sessions with you. Thank you so much, Mr. Murli, and everyone. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.